all the sport. We were chilling, getting out. Stand up, I told you to get out. Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is basically my lazy girl soft lock crochet tutorial that takes me around 30 minutes to an hour to do. I really hate doing my hair, so I was trying to find a quick and easy style that I could do with these soft locks in a short amount of time, but it could still look nice and I could still go outside with it. Basically, I came up with this style. I have probably around 10 parts in my hair. I don't know exactly the amount, and I just installed like 3 soft locks in between. As you can see, these soft locks are very small, so when I got them, I was trying to figure out how can I install these, what kind of style can I do that's not gonna take me forever. I just took out my box braids and I really didn't feel like sitting down and taking 2-3 hours to do my hair. So I came up with this style. It's very beginner friendly because I hate doing my hair. I don't really know how to do like my natural hair like that. I rarely do natural styles. I'm not like good at parting and braiding and OD like that. So this is the style that I came up with. So if you guys want to learn how I achieve this style, stay tuned.
Okay, so I didn't want to do much talking when it came to this video because defeats the purpose. I think it's pretty straightforward. So I'm using this edge control on all my parts. I'm not using gel because gel just makes my hair curly, and I want this look to be really sleek. This is like the fake version of that edge control that comes in like different flavors. I forget what it's called. I think the fake one is Edge Factor or Style Edge. This one is True Edge. And I bought this because I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on edge control. So I just finished used up this one. And I'm doing this style on like 3-day-old hair because I'm only going to have this style in for a couple of days. And I just was tired of being natural. So I'm like, let me just do my hair real quick. So the first thing that you want to do is part your hair and put edge control all over the parts. I'm not that good at parting, so it's probably not going to be super duper straight, but you want to make it as straight as possible. And I decided to do some triangle parts in the front just to make the style look more funky, look more stylish, because it would look kind of boring with square parts. And I could do bigger parts with triangle parts. So I'm just doing that, and I'm just making it really straight and nice. So after I finish this side, I am just going to do the same thing on the left side. On the right side, same method, same triangle part, so it's symmetrical. Now I'm going to show you how to install the crochet loop within the part. My parting is pretty thick. Obviously, you're going to need a crochet hook. My parting is pretty thick, so I'm showing you how big it is, and I'm going to use 3 soft locks within this section. I'm going to part this section in 3 parts and twist them up. Now, if your hair is thinner, you don't have to do this, or you could braid it. Remember, this is a lazy girl style, so I am putting the least amount of effort into this style. So I'm twisting the hair up just so that it's easier to maneuver and put through the crochet loops. So now you want to just separate the loop and make it wider because you need to make it bigger to put through the part. And you could try to double these up. I tried to double it up for this section, but it wasn't working. But when I was doing the back of my head, I was able to put like 2 or 3 soft locks on one hook and crochet it through, but it was not working out for this one. So I'm just going to use one. So you just want to put that on the crochet and pull it through. And I like to just do all the crochet first and then, start knotting it afterwards. So now I'm just going to knot the crochet, and I'm just like really just knotting it regular. I know sometimes people pull their own hair through. I did that with some of them, but there's really no rhyme or reason to this. So you just want to knot it, and it's not going to look crazy. It's not going to look bad. It's going to look pretty normal. After you knot all of them, you want to untwist the soft lock. You want to twist it the other way so that it kind of looks like if your hair was blown out. And then you want to wrap that around your twist or your braid or whatever you left out for your little ponytail or whatever you want to call it. And then you just like want to keep unraveling and then wrapping it back around your actual hair. So just for me to remind you, my hair is very thick, so it's not going to look like perfect. It's going to look wider up top and smaller at the bottom. I think if I would have used more edge control going down the rest of my hair, it would have looked better, but I did not have enough edge control. I was actually finished with edge control after I did all my parts. So you just want to repeat that step, just unravel it and then wrap it around your twist or your braid or whatever. So this is a close-up shot just so that y'all could like really see what I'm doing if my hand is not in the way. But I'm basically just showing you how I unravel the soft lock and then I wrap it around the hair. This is the finished look. Now, I'm just kidding. This is not the finished look, but I'm basically seeing how it looks down and just basically showing you what it looks like. I would never leave it down like that because it's obviously matte thin. So putting it up is definitely what I'm going to do, but I'm just seeing how it would look and seeing if I could bun it out. So you could try different styles with this. The bun, I couldn't really do the bun because the soft locks just it wasn't working out. The ends kept popping out as you can see right here. So the top ponytail, the high pony just looks best for right now. And I'm just smoothing out my edges because I didn't, like I said, this is old hair. So I already have some edge control in my hair. So I'm just gonna make it lay down. So I tried to put it in like a low ponytail because I figured like that would kind of be cute, like a half up, half down style. And honestly, it was kind of looking cute, but it just wasn't really working for me. In the like low ponytail style, it was cute, but it was kind of giving me Pirates of the Caribbean, so I definitely wasn't gonna wear it like that. And I'm of course making sure my hair is laying flat in the front because that is the part everybody's going to see. So this is the length of the hair. I really like the length. I wish I had this hair before when I did the soft locks the first time. I'm going to link everything down below, including the hair. I like the hair and I think it was perfect for like a soft lock style. It was easy to install and it matched the texture. Even though I had a big parting and a lot of hair with one soft lock, I felt like it still low-key matched.
Okay, so that concludes the video. There are many ways that you can style this hair. You could do a high pony like me. You could bun it out, or you could do a low ponytail. So this hair is very long. It's like 36 inches. I'm gonna stand up. The hair is very long, so as you can see, it touches my butt, and it's a high pony right now. So if I let it down, when I let the hair down, it's very long. So I really like that. The hair is super duper lightweight. I don't really feel any tension on my scalp right now. This is my first time doing this style like on camera for you guys. I'm sure you guys can perfect it. My hair is really thick, so it's hard for it to look super duper natural, and these soft locks, they're really small and they're really tiny, but I just feel like it works out. It still looks natural, and I felt that the top ponytail, the high ponytail, worked best for me and keeping up the illusion while still having it look natural. I feel like if you want to wear this style down, you would have to have more soft locks within each section, which defeated my purpose of a quick style, because I'm not trying to be here all day putting like 10 soft locks in one section. You could do that, but I really wasn't trying to do that. This is not a style that I'm gonna have for so long. It's just to keep me through the week, and I just had to complete this project, so I really wanted to show y'all. I did this on like some old hair. I said that in the video. My hair is pretty old, and it's just like a style. Like, let's say you want to go out but you don't want to do a twist style, you don't want to braid your hair, you don't want to put on a wig, your hair is out natural. You could do this like the night before or the morning of, when you got plans, and you could have a cute little style and it will last you like a couple days. So I really like this style. I think it's cute, and after I put on my makeup and everything, I really felt cute. So I'm super duper happy with it. I hope you guys like this style. If you want to see quick and easy natural styles from me, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to hear what you guys think about the style. Like, do you like it? You think it's cute? What did you think I could improve on? Let me know. And I'll see you guys next time.